Greetings from the future generation of explorers. In the groundbreaking 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, be ready to discover the freedom of the wide road. This RV is more than simply a transportation. It's a lifestyle statement, expertly crafted for every excursion. Every element of Chevrolet's distinctive power and elegance is evident, from its aggressive, contemporary appearance with aerodynamic features intended to reduce wind and increase economy to its adjustable LED headlights that glow at night. These RVs come with a range of tough chassis options, including the Chevrolet Express van base and the customized Silverado HD. They are propelled by a selection of dependable and potent engines. The renowned Ecotec 3 gasoline V8 engine provides amazing power and towing capabilities, guaranteeing a smooth ride on any terrain. Alternatively, the Duramax Turbo-Diesel V6 engine gives lots of torque and remarkable fuel economy for economical travel. The dashboard is elegant and driver-focused as soon as you step inside. A big infotainment touchscreen acts as the control center, and a digital instrument panel that can be customized provides all the important information at your fingertips. You'll always be connected and never get lost thanks to built-in navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto connectivity. For extended trips, the ergonomic dashboard design with premium materials, brushed chrome accents, and gentle ambient lighting creates a contemporary and cozy cockpit. The main cabin of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is the ideal fusion of elegance and practicality. You'll discover a spacious and light cabin with a motorized slide-out that significantly increases the living area when parked. In addition to providing breathtaking views of your surroundings, large windows with intelligent curtains let in natural light. The ideal lounge space for unwinding or hosting guests is created with a plush, high-end leather sofa and swivel captain's chairs. Hardwood or long-lasting luxury vinyl flooring alternatives offer simplicity of upkeep and a sense of coziness. After a day of exploration, the bedroom space is intended to be a peaceful haven. A good mattress and a cozy queen or king-size bed guarantee a good night's sleep. There are side tables with separate reading lamps and USB charging jacks on either side of the bed. The inside is kept neat with built-in closets and roomy drawers that offer enough of storage for all your necessities. A serene and quiet ambience is produced by the use of soft lighting and windows with privacy curtains. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's bathroom is evidence that luxurious travel doesn't have to be sacrificed. The bathroom is cleverly designed, with a porcelain toilet, a contemporary sink with designer faucets, and a good-sized walk-in shower with high water pressure. Convenience is increased with a huge mirror with built-in lighting and clever toiletry storage. The feel is clean and sanitary thanks to high-quality, easily cleaned materials. Any motorhome's kitchen is its center, and the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome delivers. The kitchen is equipped with a large solid-surface countertop, a 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection oven/microwave, a full-size refrigerator, and a freezer, making it ideal for serious cooks. Even in the great outdoors, meal preparation is made simple and enjoyable with a stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet and lots of storage space in the cupboards and drawers.